Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and here is a problem that a couple of people I work with found a little bit confronting. And I think it may have to do with all of the pronumerals that are flying around here. And our task is to try and figure out what x equals. Now, we're not going to get a number for that. What we are going to get is we're going to get an expression. And I think that that's the first thing to realize. You cannot have this number of pronumerals and so few integers or numbers and not expect that the answer will be in the form of an expression rather than a numerical answer. So let's go. Our essential task is to try and isolate x. So we're going to use the time-honored method of just peeling away as much as we can. So the first thing to do is to try and do something about the c. So we'll leave it there just for the moment. And what we do, brackets on there, sorry, what we do is we divide both sides by c. And what we get from that is log e x minus a equals 1 over c. And this is really useful. This is a really useful form of this expression, because we can look at this and we can say, well, this is pretty much the type of thing that we first dealt with when we dealt with logs. We were taught that this is the base, this is a power, and this is the argument. And so we can rewrite this in exponential form. So this base to this power equals that. Let me say that again. This base to this power equals that. What does that mean? Well, let's do that and you can see. So e to the power of 1 over c is equal to x minus a. Now, it really isn't very hard work to get x on its own now. So x is equal to e to the 1 over c plus a. And that's our answer. That's the best we can do. It's going to be an expression, not a number. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.